Welcome to Brand Investigation. I wanted to buy the best robo vacuum cleaner brands in online, but there were so many brands and models listed that I couldn't decide, but it had countless options too now. Don't worry, we have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart customer reviews, Trustpilot user ratings, Quora users question with answers, and reading real customer reviews for you. We're comparing the best robot vacuum cleaners, Deebot, iLife, Dreame, and Agaro, to help you find the perfect one for your home. First, let's talk about suction power and area coverage. Deebot and iLife lead the way with 6,500 pascals suction power. Perfect for cleaning big homes. Agaro comes next with 5,000 pascals, while Dreame has 4,000 pascals, which works well for smaller spaces. Next is battery and runtime. The Deebot lasts the longest with a 5,200 mAh battery and 320 minutes of runtime. Ideal for long cleaning sessions. iLife is next with 260 minutes, followed by Dreame at 180 minutes and Agaro at 150 minutes. Now let's look at dustbin and mop sizes. Deebot has a large 420 milliliter mop tank, meaning fewer refills during cleaning. Agaro is next with 350 milliliters, while iLife and Dreame have smaller mop tanks of 200 milliliters. When it comes to special features, these vacuum cleaners offer advanced technology, LiDAR navigation for precise mapping, app control for easy operation, Wi-Fi connectivity for smart use, compatibility with Alexa and Google Voice Assistants, carpet sensor for efficient cleaning on carpets, ideal for pet hair, a lifesaver for pet owners, and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Deebot and Agaro are rated excellent for their advanced features. Life is good, and Dreame offers basic features that work well for smaller homes. Good service quality is important. Deebot, Dreame, and Agaro are rated excellent, making them easy to maintain. Next, let's review the positive feedback from customers who have purchased it online with indicating user base and satisfaction in Amazon. Online store, iLife and Agaro have the highest positive ratings at 88%, followed by Deebot at 86% and Dreame at 81%. Next, let's explore customer feedback on these robotic vacuum cleaners, including their ratings and the number of users who rated their purchase. So, which one should you pick? Deebot is the best all-rounder with 4.5 stars. iLife is budget-friendly with 4 stars. Agaro is excellent for features and also gets 4.5 stars. Dreame is for smaller homes, rated 3.5 stars. Prices change daily. To check exact model and latest price in the description. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel.